I'm here with this range of Bosch washing machines and each one has some amazing features. So let's take a closer look at what they can do. All of these Bosch washing machines come with some really handy features. If you're low on time, Speed Perfect and Quick Wash clean your clothes up to 65% faster while still giving them a really good clean. You also get the reload feature, which lets you open the machine up to 89% of the way into a wash to put any extra bits in that might not have made their way into the laundry basket. These machines are water and energy efficient too. With active water, you get sensors that adjust the water consumption to suit your load, so you'll never use more than needed. They're all A-rated for energy, so you'll save a bit of money too. Moving on to the Series 4 models, you get a few extra features. Here you can take advantage of Steam Iron Assist, which reduces wrinkles in dry clothes by up to 50%, so you can cut down on your ironing time. They also have variable temperature control, which gives you total control over the heat of your wash. Perfect if you want to give delicates a gentler clean. Plus, the Series 4 models give you up to a 9 kilogram capacity and a 5-year warranty for some extra peace of mind. The next step up are the Series 6 models. Here you get anti-stain programs that work to tackle tougher stains in your clothing like red wine, butter and grass. You also get a larger capacity of up to 10 kilograms in the Series 6 models, making it great for families. As you move up this range, you can also get something called IDOS. Washing machines with this feature have a large tank that holds all your detergent and only dispenses the necessary amount for each wash. This means that you're not wasting detergent and you just need to fill up once to wash up to 20 times. And finally, we get to the top of the Series 6 range with models that have an upgraded IDOS feature that lets you scan your detergent's packaging and then uses this information to work out the perfect dosage for that specific product. The top Series 6 models can also be linked with the Home Connect app, which means that you can control them with your voice, start a cycle remotely, and monitor your energy usage all from your phone. If you'd like more info about this range of Bosch washing machines, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.